How to create Telegram channel on Android step by step guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can create that. So it was very easy. For that, simply open Telegram app in your Android phone. Once we open that, you need to sign up or sign in. If you did, after that you guys will see that type of interface. So simply click on top right corner three dots. Once we click here you guys can see night mode, new group, saved messages. So simply click on new group. Once you click on new group, here you guys will simply select the contacts. If you want, and if you don't want to select your contacts, simply click on that arrow. Once we click on that arrow here, you guys will simply write your channel name, Telegram channel name. So simply write my channel name. After that, you guys will simply click on that mark. You guys can add your pic, our profile pic for using camera. Simply click on camera and select the pic. Now click on that arrow. Once we click on that arrow, we will simply wait for some seconds. So let's wait for some seconds. Here you guys can see you created group. You up to 2 lakh members you can add. So that's mean our channel was created. So for adding member, I will simply click on add members. And here you guys simply click on copy invite link. And once we copy that, we will simply share that link to people that we want to add to our Instagram channel. So that's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.